Hey, Mark. Bad news about you and Samantha breaking up. Have you tried the canteen flowers routine? I've heard that sometimes works. Now, about the game. I agree. You and Ace do need a new Lightning Knight, but Random Virus is not your man. He's erratic, dangerous in fact. So my advice, avoid the virus like the plague.
Sorry, Pete. I don't have any choice. Player can sometimes access Random Virus at Catastrophe Junkyard. Warning. Use extreme caution. Right. Random Virus. Remember me? I'm Mark. I'm with Ace. Good to see you again.
There's nothing good about me.
Right. Well, maybe good's not the right word. You see, we could use a little help fighting Lord Fear. And I was wondering...
Help is for weaklings and cowards. I eliminate weaklings and cowards.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Only the strong survive. All weakness must be eliminated. And you are weak, so you must be destroyed.
Random, no! You're a Lightning Knight.
Lightning Knight? Yes, I am, or at least I was a Lightning Knight a long time ago, before my memory files were damaged.
You're one of the good guys. Remember?
No! You lie! Lightning Knights are good. I am evil! Your meek existence offends me. Run! Run like a coward! I'll just toy with you until it ceases to amuse me.
Sorry, Random. Time to put your toys away. Take a hike, kid. This is my fight now.
Sorry, Ace. I was just trying to...
Save it, Mark. Meet me back at the Thunder Tower.
Cringing weakling!
I don't want to hurt you. You're my friend. I wish I could make you understand. Now, listen, kid. I know you were trying to get us some help, but from here on, you stay away from Random Virus.
But Ace, we've got to do something. Lord Fear's accumulating too many power points. We're going to lose this game.
Game? How many times do I have to tell you, Mark? This is no game. This is the final battle, good versus evil. And if you think that Lord Fear is just playing... then it is game over.
Boss, get a load of this. Ah, my malodorous rodent associate. What news of lightning?
You were right, LF. That creep's getting punier by the minute. He's ripe for the picking.
Suggestion, your lordship. Let's send Lady Illusion to do the job. Might be an opportunity to prove that she's not totally disloyal to you, sir.
Why, you insolent stick.
Now. That seems like an excellent plan. Prepare yourself for combat, my lady. And this time, do try to succeed.
Hey, Mark. I think this belongs to you.
Thanks, Heather. Hi, Samantha.
Hello, Mark. I haven't seen you around much. How have you been?
Okay, good. Well, not good, but yeah, okay. So, how are things with you, Samantha?
Things are fine.
Great. That's great, and I'm great, and you're fine.
I'm fine, too.
Great, yeah, well, now that that's settled.
Who the man? Dude! Man, dudettes. I've got something for you, Mark.
Oh, wait, that reminds me. As you were saying?
Yeah, I found some sweet new weapons on the E19 site. I haven't downloaded them yet, but I can send you a file if you want.
What language are they speaking?
It's game speak. They're talking about Ace Lightning, as usual.
Combat, it'll turn Lord Fear to toast.
And you really think it'll give him more powers?
You know it, dude.
Well, great talking to you guys. Come on, Heather, let's go.
Bye, Mark.
Later, ladies.
Oh, wait, Samantha. The candies, I meant to...
Candy, sweet. So, you want me to upload these new weapons to you, or what?
Yeah, sure. Later on today.
I'm all over it, amigo.
Yeah, I can see that.
Huh?
Do you want to get some pizza?
No, I'm not hungry.
I kind of figured that, especially since you turned down that candy from Mark.
What are you talking about?
Come on, Sam. You know as well as I do that the candy was for you.
Even if it was for me, I don't care. I'm not interested in anything from Mark.
Sam, it's me.
I'm serious. My days of trying to pry him away from that video game are over.
Good for you, Sam. You deserve better than that.
Thanks. What about you?
What about me?
Interested in anyone I should know about?
No. No one you should know about.
Honestly, Simon, what happened to the good old-fashioned rake? I mean, we never needed one of those contraptions in England.
Yes, but this is America. It's quite simple, really. You just pointed at the ground.
No! Simon! It took me half the money!
Sorry, darling.
Simon, will you turn that thing off?
Try to, dear. I can't seem to be able to find the switch.
You want to tell me what this is all about, kid?
It's kind of hard to explain, Ace.
Okay.
You see, the file is coming over the phone line. It passes through you on the way to my computer.
And this is going to increase my powers. Yeah, I hear it, but I don't believe it.
That's what I used to think, before I met you.
Good point, kid. Let's do it.
Okay.
Stop! You've ruined a perfectly good day of gardening with that thing!
This leaf blower's not a thing. It's an efficiency device.
I don't want any more of those efficiency devices on my front lawn, thank you very much.
Fine. Well, I'll go to the backyard then. I'll show you what this thing can do. You can't stop progress.
I know that he's in there with his sidekick.
So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and finish him off.
Careful, Vermin. Since when does a rat give orders to Lady Illusion?
I'm just keeping an eye on things for the boss. That's all.
Then keep your eyes open and your mouth shut. I'll finish him off in my own time. In my own way.
Yo, Mark, about time. I've been waiting for you, dude.
Weird.
Mark, do you read me?
Yeah, Chuck, I read you.
So, what do you want to download first, dude? New wrist cannons for Ace, or this awesome energy burst accessory?
Try the energy burst.
On it. Uploading now. Uh-oh.
System warning. System warning. System
Wait, not a virus, man! A bad one!
System warning.
My hard drive's crashing!
System warning.
Disconnect!
We've got a virus. Disconnect. Ace, let go of the wires. Come on, you gotta let go of the wires. Ace, say something. Do something. Ace?
Dude, it's out of control! Nothing works! It's frozen solid!
Listen, Chuck, this is serious. You have no idea how serious this is.
My world is crashing! Why didn't I back up my hard drive? Why?
Steady, Chuck. Just focus on the problem. This is an emergency. I don't care if you need a sugar fix. You've got to do something.
Ace, you poor thing. Look at you. When I think of what might have been.
Grandma, can we see the baby?
Oh, I can remember when you were that age. I used to walk you in the carriage just like this one.
Coo-choo-coo-choo-coo.
Eh? What are you looking at? This ain't the freak show.
I gotta go, Chuck.
My RAM is broke!
So, did you finish Mr. Do-Gooder off?
Fool. He's already finished off.
Can it get any worse?
Mark, it's not me. I'm going out to get my hair done. I think your father needs help with the yard work.
Oh, sure, Mum. I'll be right there.
Disconnect the configuration port of drive C and attach a B459 microprocessing cable to the appropriate port in drive A. This thing doesn't make any sense. It's like it's written in Chinese. It is Chinese. Forget it. I'll fix this thing myself.
Ah, Rat. What news?
You should have seen him, boss. Lady Illusion said he was frozen stiff.
And I shall see him, dear Rat. I shall have that pleasure. Duff! Front and center! Duff! Duff!
What? Oh, I was just trying to get some shut-eye.
I want you to fetch the remains of the late Ace Lightning. Oh, and Mr. Duff. The carnival will be closed today in honor of our triumphal celebration.
Oh, come on, give me a break. I'll lose my business if we close.
You heard him. Now go.
Okie dokie. Anything you say. I'm just a wretched mortal.
But, my lady, am I mistaken? Or are you less than overjoyed by our victory?
I've never been happier, my lord.
Mark? Oh. Glad to see you pitching in, helping out with the yard work. Good lad. Front yard could do with the mowing.
Sure, Dad. I'll get started right away.
Mark? What's that thing doing here in the garage?
That. Oh, that, yeah, that's a school computer project. But you can't touch it. It's still got some glitches.
Right. Well then, better get mowing. You know, I really should take more interest in his schoolwork.
Okay, Virus. You picked the wrong hard drive to mess with. Prepare to meet the Chuckinator.
Want a lift?
No, thanks.
Look, Samantha, I'm sorry about this morning. I mean, that candy was for you.
Well, why didn't you give it to me? Oh, I remember. You got distracted by Ace Lightning. Again.
Oh, come on, Sam, that's not fair. All I want to do is give you a present. Because, you know, I still want us to be friends or whatever.
You do. We'll keep talking, Hollander. I'm listening.
Hey, Piggy, I could use a hand here.
Big face not work, big face hungry.
It's just not fair, I tell you. I gotta bust my hump while he gets to eat a pile of garbage.
Big face, stop!
What is the meaning of this? Oh, get out of there! Hey, that's my rubbish bin! Get out of there! Hey, stop it!
Sweet!
So I'll call you tonight. Maybe we can go to a basketball game.
Sure, that'd be fun.
Oh, I have to go. Got a garden emergency.
Mark, come back! You know, don't bother calling.
Hey, wait for me! Don't leave, big face!
Are you all right, Dad?
Oh, stealing rubbish. Can you imagine it, honestly? Sometimes I don't understand Americans at all.
It's all right, Dad. I think I know someone at the junkyard who might be able to help us.
You must dance at my victory party, Mr. Duff.
I'm dancing, boss. Look.
Hey, boss, look! We've got company.
Why, it's the pathetic sidekick. He must be coming to surrender. Now I shall have them both. My triumph is complete.
Not so fast, Fear. There's a new Lightning Knight in town.
Looks like we've got a party pooper, my lordship.
Virus!
Ace, my poor, poor, foolish hero.
Thanks. I owe you one.
Come on, Rat. Ready for another round?
Everything was perfect. Lightning had turned to stone. He can't defeat me now.
Begging your pardon, my lord, but I think the party's over, if you get my meaning.
Next showdown, Lightning, will be your last.
Well done, Lightning Knight.
Your thanks should go to him as well. He's the one who brought me here.
I'm impressed, kid. A hero never abandons his friends. Thanks.
Well, it's like you say, Ace. I'll always be there for you.
Nice going, kid.
We're down to the second last week of play in the National Football League. The Rams can clinch a divisional title with a win over the 49ers. The Raiders shouldn't have much trouble with Seattle.
I had him in the palm of my bony hand. How was Lightning restored to life?
The forecast showers.
When will I ever get my revenge?
7 miles per hour.
It just might be that someone saw a certain kiss that brought Ace Lightning back to life.
That was an accident. I didn't mean to... You wouldn't tell Lord Fear. Please.
Oh, I might tell. Again, I might not. For now, it'll be our little secret.
A government bill to crack down on laboratory experiments on animals is expected to become law today.
Samantha?
No, dude, it's me. My computer's alive again. The virus is cured. Uh-oh.
Charles Mughal, did you short out our electricity again?
Later, dude.
Hello? Oh, hi, Heather. No, it's great to hear from you. Really? What's up? Yeah. Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, that'd be good. Cool. I'm not sure.